bringing in the ladies for the night. Look at that. Look at that little bit. Look at the size of her udder. I don't know how she's not had babies yet. Well, maybe you can't see it in this light, but there they all go. Look how big she is. She's so round. Oh, up the steps. Oh my goodness. Not so easy when you're very, very pregnant. Little bit, she's always her own woman. See, look at that. Oh, well, now she's moved her leg, but that's a little bit in her big udder. Full of milk. Ready for babies. 16 ladies. There's a good look at how big her udder is getting. Oh, was that a bit private? I'm sorry. Look, she doesn't look too pleased with me. Sorry, little bit. Just wanted to show the world your udder. Because you're going to be a good mommy, full of milk. Here's Fuchsia. She's the ewe that lambed in the field today, and that's her little lambs. She's giving me the stink eye. I'm not gonna bother your babies. Yeah. You're very protective, Fuchsia. Okay, I'll go away now. Just checking on you, seeing how you were doing. And in this stall is an enormous sheep. No, it's you probably can't really tell on the video, but it's a huge pile of fleeces from the shearing that are going to go to the Cushendale woolen mills and get made into yarn and the blankets, which are very warm and cozy because I have one. Okay, the light's on. We're just going to go have a look at the sheep. I'm going a little early. It's just a little past 11. And I'll go again about midnight and all, but I just want to see, because Susanna was saying Ginger was starting to give some signs. Oh, the other dogs are out now too. Just gonna have a wee look. Oh my goodness. Hey there, darling. Yeah, so it's 2:30, just coming out just to see. Hi. Oh, what happened to you? You got an ouchie. What happened? Did you bump heads with somebody? Oh my goodness. That's Judy has got a boo-boo. Oh, Judy. Did you butt your head up against somebody? You got a boo-boo. It's just a scratch. But we gotta make a fuss. Yeah. Yeah, we make a fuss over you. Yep, she's starting to lamb. So it's not Ginger though. But yeah, you hear calling in. Yeah. But you're very snorty there, Mrs. So this lady, she's as big as a house. She's making the little nickering noise, but you can't see there now, but I could see a little. Look, and she's, oh, you missed that, but she has a little bit of, what am I trying to say? She has a little bit of the, oh, the waters are coming. Hey, hey. Everybody's coming to see me today. Oop. Yeah, she's on it, giving her space. So, but it's not time to call Susanna yet. Yeah, yeah, we'll give you your space. See her, she's doing the licky mouth thing. But I will call Susanna when she gets a little farther along. Let me just check the other end of the place. Everybody's coming over for a scratch tonight now. They've more gotten used to the routine. So she's in labor for sure now. She's starting to push every so often. And yeah. So I've rung Susanna. Hi, Judy. Judy's right here with me. Of course. Yeah. Hey, Judy, Judy. You're a good girl. Someone else is coming for a scritch. Hey, hey. Gives a push. She's got a very big udder. She has lots of milk for her babies. See, that's another sign. The pawing. I mean, if you didn't, like if she was kind of, you can hear her nickering and see her licking her lips. So like, you know, if you couldn't see her back end, you could see those signs and know that. Look at them all. They're all watching. Are you keeping an eye on her? There's a big push. Oh, there's a push. Look at that. Oh, that lamb is coming. Started to see. Oh! She's pushing. She just had a big push. She's there in the corner.
Oh, you. I was wondering if you were going to go. That's Gracie.
That's Gracie.
Or Grace.
Hi, Grace.
Come on, girl. Oh, I see one of your toes is wrong.
Susanna has to help.
Ah, there's your nose. Okay. Come on. Atta girl. Come on. Come on. Atta girl. Come on.
If you were following my other YouTube channel, which is called Wild Cottage Knitting, I have 2 spring vlogs on there with knitting and lambing. And Judy is, she's always interested in everything. And also from last year, lambing last year on my channel, I think it's in the playlist called With Swartbos Ireland, you will see Judy up to her antics during some of the lambing as well. I think she's a great character.
Come on. Ah, girl. Come on. Open up. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Okay. Here's the second toe. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. I know. Judy, can you back off a little bit?
Judy is
Give
so
us some
nosy.
privacy? There we go. Good girl. 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 Atta girl. Good girl. Atta girl.
Helping to get
Come
the
on, you
lamb
gotta
out.
keep pushing with me. Atta girl. You gotta open up a little bit more. Open up a little bit more. Atta girl. Atta good girl. Come on, girl. You have to open up a little bit more. Atta girl. Yeah. Atta girl. Come on. Good girl. You want to lick some of that? Okay. Give you a break for a minute. Good girl. Okay. Okay.
Judy.
It's Gracie. Hello. Hello. This is gonna happen to you soon. Okay. Come on, there we go. Here's the head. Here's the head. Okay, here's the head.
Here we go. Here it comes. Here comes the lamb. You see the head? Oh, he's wiggling. Here it is.
Ah,
There it is. There we go.
no, you go away, Ginger. Go away. Go on, Ginger. Go on. See, Ginger's gonna lamb soon.
So she's very interested.
Ginger.
Ginger,
go
that's
away.
not yours.
Go on. Ginger, go away.
She wants to claim
No,
the
Ginger,
baby as
go away.
hers.
Go on. Go away.
Ginger.
Okay. No, Ginger, go away. Go away. Come on.
Come here, Ginger.
Ginger,
She's insistent.
go away. Go on. Go away. You are one big lamb. Are you a boy or a girl? You've just been born and you're being manhandled. Find out.
She's like, man,
You're a girl.
give a little girl, a big girl, a break. Yeah, a big girl.
Okay.
Ginger, no. Ginger wants that lamb. Your turn will be soon enough, Mrs. Here she comes back. She's not giving up.
No, Ginger, go away.
She was trying to steal the lamb. Listen to her
So
giving out.
she's probably going to lamb in the next 24 hours.
Yeah.
She's so desperate for a lamb.
We got our eye on you, Mrs.
No. Go on, Ginger. Go on. Go on.
Oh dear.
Ginger, you're the main culprit on the game.
The sheep
Go
we're
away.
calling Ginger came so many times trying to rob the lamb.
So that's that yo. And that yo are going to lamb probably in the next 24 hours. They kind of will steal a lamb. Lamb robbers.
Yes. Look at her.
Yeah, no, this is exactly why you have to get up in the middle of the night, because Grace could have a second lamb and Ginger would steal the first lamb, and you come down here, and unless you knew somebody had just lambed, there would be an extra lamb if she was suddenly started lambing as well. And then the first lamb would disappear, in the sense that nobody would know whose lamb it was. Okay, come here, Ginger. No. Okay, come on, we're gonna have to move the baby. Come on. There we go. I'm moving it as though she's tied up against the wall.
Are you? Let me know when you need to move her out.
Okay, we're going to have a real competition here.
Oh my goodness.
Go away, Ginger.
So they're safely in the stall. There was a complete ruckus. 2 sheep busted out just of the lambing shed trying to get it, especially Ginger, but they got back in. They're back in the stable. But yes, so she may or may not have a second, but had to get her out of there because her lamb was definitely being coveted by Ginger especially, but a couple other sheep too. So there was no possibility of filming us bringing the lamb out because it was chaos. It was controlled chaos. I mean, it was under control. Susanna knew there would be ruckus, but yeah, it was fine. And now everybody's happy. Well, no, they're not happy out there. Ginger's not happy. She's bang and bang. But she'll have her own baby soon. Yeah, Grace, you did a great job. She's got her food now and water, and she's got hay. So, baby's standing up. Ooh. I probably need to speak up, but I'm trying not to talk too loud because I think Susanna is having her nap now because, of course, she was up with me for part of the time last night when the lamb was actually being born. Hello! Hello, everyone! Hello!
I need to plug in my phone. It's not backing up.
Oh.
That broadband is slow, and I've got more fire newspaper for you.
Okay.
And it's not Ginger, it's Dior.
Dior.
I always mix that
Who's
Ginger and Dior up.
Is Dior the one with the scar?
Yes,
Oh, did she lamb?
yes.
Oh, great. We need to do lambing talk. Hey, Bear. Okay, so Ginger, not Ginger. That's what Susanna was saying. She keeps getting them mixed up. And now I've forgotten the yo's actual name. But she lambed this morning when I was asleep, which we were thinking that was going to happen soon. So she's bringing her and her lamb through. And so that yo was the one we were telling to get away from. No, my goodness, brain. Anyways, last night's video, which I get out of the way because they're going to be coming. Come here. I hear the bang. Now, come here. Everyone stay here. Stay with me. I know Shep will stay with me. Come here, Brenda. Okay. There we go. Now, here's Dior that we kept calling Ginger last night. And she's had 2 babies. Those are your very own babies. Now you don't need to try to steal anyone else's. So, yes, she's keeping her eye on me. She's like, babies are suckling, so I'll ask Susanna, what have we? Have we ram lambs, ewe lambs, or both? One of each. We have one of each. Do we? This one laying down has some pretty markings on his head, or her head. What do you think, Dior? Are you proud of yourself? You did a good job. After being a bit of a psycho baby stealing mama. Oh, she's telling me back up. So, okay. She didn't like me calling her that. It was rude. It was rude. You were just confused about what baby was yours when you didn't have any babies yet. You have a great maternal instinct, don't you? You're a good mommy.